Have you noticed the signs while downloading games? Yes, you might have. Have you ever thought, what does this mean and why is it kept in games? What is it called? So here is the answer for this. Welcome back guys to our world, Puregkworld. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please press the red colored button to subscribe and the bell icon to get the latest notification from Puregkworld. The term is called IARC. IARC means International Age Rating Coalition. What does International Age Rating Coalition means? To help customers in determining which app or games are appropriate to download. Development Center requires you to select an age rating during the submission process and include specific requirements. IARC was introduced in 2013. The IARC system simplifies the process of obtaining ratings by developers through the use of questionnaires which access the content of the product. This new process reduces the cost of video game developers as they seek to obtain rating for their products that are distributed digitally online. How IARC works? You can see the process on the below given official link. I hope you like my video. Please support me by subscribing, liking and sharing. See you soon with an interesting topic.